Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Medicine, and today I'll be reviewing HCL Payslip. So this payslip is for a lead engineer, and if we see the second column, his basic earning is 11,000 rupees, HRA is 11,000 rupees again. So this, you can see, this is similar to the basic pay. So perhaps he has designed such a way so that he can claim the HRA maximum, so that he can exempted from some of his tax. And convenience pay is 2,000 rupees. CT compensation allowance is 6,500 rupees. So this is a good extra pay from HCL, and it changes city to city. It varies city to city. Then holiday allowances is 4,166 rupees. Medical allowances is 2,000 rupees, and the performance bonus or increment what he is getting is 4,300 rupees. So the total amount is coming 42,000 rupees. And if we see the deduction, only PF contribution is showing here, so 1,400 rupees. So his net pay is 40,539 rupees.